Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 255 FSH Sport E. This boat just arrived, guys. Glad to have it. Beautiful boat. As you'll see, it's got the black hull side. It does come with this trailer, which is an aluminum trailer, perfect for splashing in the salt water. Guys, again, this boat just arrived. Black hull, beautiful boat. Let's take a look at the outside and we'll climb on the board on the inside and take a look. Guys, this boat's awesome. Full open transom, awesome for hanging out, awesome for fishing, awesome for entertaining. Just such a practical boat. Bear with me as I climb up this ladder and get aboard. All right, welcome aboard, guys. Beautiful boat here. As you'll see, this has the warm upholstery. Guys, this boat is nicely laid out. Of course, the whole transom here is open. This seat does flip up, so you can enclose it, or you can leave it open, which I personally love it open because I'm a fisherman. Taking a look, guys, you do have two live wells on board, one here and one up on the front side. Of course, they're fully open, so you can see all your bait or use it as a release well for keeping your fish in it. Awesome boat. Guys, looking at the bow, you'll see we do have the filler seat in right now, so you can fully enclose this, make a giant sun pad. Awesome design, guys. You'll see you do have rod storage running up underneath your gunnels here, down the sides of your boat. Again, plenty of seating, plenty of rod holders. Of course, the boat's got your rocket launchers, got your speakers inlaid into the T-top. Nice spreader light there in the back. Taking a look at the helm, guys, you'll see, of course, this is the E-Series, the electronic series, all digital throttles, push-button starts, the Yamaha Connext screen, and of course a 12-inch Simrad with a nice Ritchie compass right there in the middle. Guys, what a great boat. Boat is available. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you for looking and have a great day.